Hello and welcome to English Time with Ben. I am Ben from the United States. Today I am happy you are here. Today is a good day to learn and to speak. Today's episode is about my favorite band. We will learn words and sentences. We will practice speaking and listening. We will learn how to say who you like. We will learn how to tell a short story about music. The words are simple. The sentences are short. You can listen and repeat. You can speak with me. You can practice at home or with a friend. First, I will say some useful words. Then I will show how to make sentences. Then I will give an example of a short talk. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. Listen and repeat when I ask you to. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. You can pause and practice many times. Practice makes your speaking better. Useful words and simple explanations. Band is a group that plays music. Song is a piece of music. Singer is the person who sings. Guitar is a string instrument. Drums are percussion instruments. Bass is the low guitar sound. Keys are piano sounds. Album is a set of songs. Verse is part of a song. Chorus is the repeated part of a song. Lyrics are the words of a song. Melody is the tune. Beat is the rhythm. Genre is the type of music. Tour is when a band plays in many cities. Concert is a live show with music. Fan is a person who loves a band. Favorite is the one you like the most. Simple sentences with those words. My favorite band is a rock band. The singer has a clear voice. The guitar is loud and bright. The drums have a strong beat. The song has a nice melody. The chorus is easy to sing. I like the lyrics of the song. I listened to the album at home. I went to a concert last year. The band went on a big tour. I am a fan of this band. They play many songs at the show. Now practice with me. Repeat after each sentence. Repeat after me, my favorite band is a rock band. Repeat after me, the singer has a clear voice. Repeat after me, I like the chorus. Repeat after me, the melody is beautiful. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Pause now if you need more time. Start again when you are ready. Now I will give an example of how you should introduce yourself. I will make a short monologue. I will speak slowly. This is a model. You can use this model and change the name and the band. Listen and repeat some parts. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Hello, my name is Ben. I am from the United States. I am a teacher. I like music a lot. My favorite band is Coldplay. I like their songs. I like the singer because his voice is warm. I like the piano in many songs. My favorite song by them is Viva la Vida. I like the melody and the lyrics. I first heard this song when I was a student. I heard it on the radio. I was happy when I heard it. The song made me smile. I put the song on my playlist. I listened to it many times. I learned some words of the song by heart. I sang the chorus with my friends. We sang the chorus at a small party. We all felt happy. 2 years ago I saw Coldplay in concert. The show was bright and loud. They played the song Viva la Vida. The crowd sang with the band. I felt the music in my chest. I danced and I clapped. I took many photos. I remember the lights and the sound. I was a big fan after that night. I bought the album and I bought a t-shirt. I like to share their songs with my students. Music helps me learn English. Music helps me feel the words. Now you will hear a different example. This time the band is a pop band. Hello, my name is Maria. I am from Mexico. I work in a small shop. I love to listen to music on my breaks. My favorite band is Maroon 5. I like their songs and the guitar. My favorite song is She Will Be Loved. I like the voice of the singer. The song has a soft melody. I feel calm when I listen. I first heard the song on the bus. A friend played it for me. I hummed the song all day. I learned the chorus quickly. I sang it in the bathroom. I wish to go to a concert. 1 year later I went to a show. The band played in a big hall. The sound was perfect. I danced and I sang the chorus. I was happy to be there. I bought a poster after the show. Now I listen to their album every morning. The music helps me start the day. It gives me energy. You can make your own version now. Follow these simple lines. Say each sentence. Change the name and the band. Use your words and your story. I will give a template. You can use it again and again. Template for your introduction. Hello, my name is. I am from. I work or I study. My favorite band is. I like them because. My favorite song is. I first heard the song when. I felt. I went to a concert in. Now I listen to their music when. I am a fan because. Now I will give a filled example for you to copy. Repeat after me. Hello, my name is Anna. I am from Brazil. I study at a university. My favorite band is the Beatles. I like them because the songs are simple and true. My favorite song is Let It Be. I first heard the song with my parents. I felt calm and safe. I went to a small live show last year. Now I listen to their music when I cook. I am a fan because the music is warm. Pause the video now and make your own version. Say each line slowly. Use the template. Say one line and then pause. You can pause the video and repeat a sentence that I said. Practice until you feel good. Now some small tips for speaking about music. Use simple verbs like, love, listen, enjoy, play. Use simple time words like today, yesterday, last year, when I was a child. Use simple place words like at home, in the car, at school, at a concert. Use simple feelings like happy, calm, excited, sad. Say why you like a band. Say one short story about when you heard a song. Say if you saw them live. Say the name of a song. Say the instrument you like. Now we will practice questions. This is good for a chat with friends. I will say the question. Then I will show a short answer. You can repeat both the question and the answer. What is your name? My name is Ben. Where are you from? I am from the United States. What is your favorite band? My favorite band is Coldplay. Why do you like them? I like them because the songs are strong and kind. What is your favorite song? My favorite song is Viva la Vida. When did you first hear the song? I first heard the song 5 years ago. Where do you listen to music? I listen to music at home and on the bus. Did you go to a concert? Yes, I went to a concert last year. How do you feel when you hear the song? I feel happy and calm. Repeat the questions and answers. Pause the video if you need time. You can change the answers to fit your life. Practice with a friend. Ask and answer the questions 3 times. Now I will give a longer practice monologue. This is a natural short talk. Listen first. Then try to say it on your own. You can pause and repeat any sentence. Hello, my name is Jose. I live in Spain. I work at a bakery. I like music very much. My favorite band is Queen. I like them because the songs are joyful. My favorite song is Bohemian Rhapsody. The song is long and the voice is strong. I first heard it at a family party. My uncle played it on a small radio. I danced with my cousin. I was young and I laughed a lot. Last summer I went to a tribute show. The band played many Queen songs. The crowd sang all the words. I felt like I was in a movie. After the show I bought the album. Now I listen to Queen on my phone. The music gives me confidence. I sing the chorus when I bake bread. My customers smile when they hear me sing. Music makes my day better. Now you try to tell your short talk. Start with hello, my name is. Say where you live or where you are from. Say what you do or where you study. Say your favorite band and a short reason. Say your favorite song. Say when you first heard it or a short story. Say how the music makes you feel. Say if you saw a concert or if you want to see one. End with a simple sentence like I like music. Remember to speak slowly. Pronounce each word. Use short sentences. You can pause and breathe between sentences. This makes your speech clear. Listen to native speakers and copy the words. Sing with a song to practice rhythm. Read the lyrics to learn new words. Look up new words in a dictionary. Write simple notes about the band and the songs you like. Now a small vocabulary review. Repeat the word and the meaning. Band is a group of musicians. Song is a piece of music. Singer is the voice. Guitar is a string instrument. Drums keep the beat. Album is a group of songs. Concert is a live show. Lyrics are words of a song. Melody is the tune. Beat is the rhythm. Fan is a person who loves a band. Favorite is the one you like the most. Practice time again. Make 3 sentences about your band. Sentence 1, I like the band because. Sentence 2, my favorite song is. Sentence 3, I saw them in concert or I want to see them in concert. Say each sentence 3 times. Pause the video after each sentence. Repeat until you feel confident. Now one last example to finish our practice. Hello, my name is Luke. I am from Canada. My favorite band is Imagine Dragons. I like their energy and the drums. My favorite song is Believer. I first heard it on the radio. I felt strong and ready to run. I listened to the song before a race. I ran with the song in my ears. I won the race and I was happy. I tell my friends about the band. We share songs and we run together. Music makes us move and smile. Good job for listening and practicing today. You did a lot of work. You learned new words. You practice short talks. You can do this every day. Try to speak for 5 minutes about music each day. You will get better fast. That is all for today's lesson. Thank you for watching and do not forget to subscribe to English Time with Ben. See you next time.